frappe, everything on right away, okay? So from third group here, so here, okay, we kick from. Today we also do 3 times. Do you remember we do today 1, 2, 3 silence, right? So we do here same thing, but faster and aggressive, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, no move. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we will do P12 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like up, no, sorry, like to the passe. And then on passe, same thing. Also do P12 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and then stay here. You will do the turn, whole turn, arm close, and all the way to where you are. Then I'll give you a break. You change it like a passe, release bar. Good. So I add the turning in there. Okay. So when you do the turning, you cannot both hand hold the bar. If one hand, okay. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Passe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. Passe. Turn. And change your arm. Continue turn. Right now, give you a break. Su. Change inside like a passe. Release bar. You got to learn how to move fast. Okay, in the ballet class, the combination not all slow. Sometimes you need to go fast. That's really good for your muscle quality. Okay, so you cannot always go slow, too slow. So right now, I need you fast. I need you be a little aggressive. Okay.